Mini Nova, handcrafted mini racer. Each and every inch of the Mini Nova is handcrafted to perfection, all the way from the pedals to the seat. Constructed on a tough 2.5 centimeter chrome tube frame, this mini racing car is driven by a 250 cubic centimeter engine and sports a thrilling 5-speed transmission, providing a true racing experience in a compact package. Unlike most others in its category, the Mini Nova doesn't feature fiberglass for its body. It's made with solid sheet metal for that extra edge and a rough, aggressive aesthetic. And of course, it's equipped with razor-sharp racing tires. Because how else would a genuine mini racer ride? Mopetta. The Mopetta was a special microcar that was conceived from ambitious goals. Its creator initially had it planned as an amphibian car, though the concept never materialized. Ultimately, only 14 examples of the BR Mopetta were ever made. All Mopetta had modest specifications, such as a one-cylinder two-stroke engine that could achieve a maximum speed of a mere 35 kilometers per hour. Its rather egg-shaped body and 3 wheels didn't help to raise its popularity back then. Nevertheless, in spite of all its shortcomings, the Mopetta has an endearing eccentricity that still fascinates connoisseurs and collectors everywhere. Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Roadster, mini version. Widely regarded as the most exclusive German convertible ever produced, the legendary Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Roadster still mesmerizes more than 60 years later. Even in this breathtaking kid-sized interpretation, designed by Junior Dream Cars, this small masterpiece is a 40% reduced replica of the original classic, combining classic looks with genuine driving capabilities. Mini Ferrari F40. This might just be the most affordable Ferrari on the planet, priced at just $25,000. While it's smaller in size, the legacy it carries is enormous. Built as a prop for the grand opening of Ferrari's first dealership in Moscow, this is a meticulously scaled-down replica of the iconic F40. Surprisingly, under the bonnet is not an Italian powerhouse engine, but a tried and tested Japanese Honda engine with a top speed of 32 kilometers per hour, 20 miles per hour. In spite of the engine change, the body is a certified, fully accurate replica of the original F40. Land Junior, mini off-roader adventure. The Land Junior is an off-road mini adventurer in a tiny package, and it's practically inviting you to take it on a mini safari. Constructed and sold by Junior Dream Cars, this 1:2 scale vehicle might be diminutive, but its ability isn't. Don't be misled by its dimensions. It's designed to be as good as state-of-the-art all-wheel drive cars in performance. Driven by a 1.2 kilowatt electric motor and supported by 4 batteries, the Land Junior provides up to 3 hours of runtime with a speed of up to 45 kilometers per hour, 28 miles per hour. Peele P50, the smallest car in the world. What appears to be a suitcase with headlights. Introducing the Peele P50, commonly known as the world's smallest car. It only weighs 59 kilograms, 130 pounds. Yet, it is an ultra-compact wonder that can easily park anywhere. In spite of its small size, it is equipped with a 4.2 horsepower engine and can go up to 45 kilometers per hour. 28 miles per hour. You would wonder who could possibly fit into a micro cabin like this. Tesla Cyberquad. Imagine the Cyberquad to be Tesla Cybertruck's mini brother, but a lean, all-electric ATV designed specifically for kids. It's not just a futuristic-looking vehicle, but astoundingly fast as well, hitting speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour, 37 miles per hour, priced at $1,650. Mini step van, small size, big thrills. Tiny yet thrilling, the mini step van strikes the perfect balance between adorable looks and raw power. Don't be fooled by its compact size. This little van packs a punch that can burn serious rubber. Built for thrill seekers, it's not only fun to behold, you can actually climb behind the wheel and let its full fury out. With astonishing pace and finesse, this four-wheeler wonder is a heart-stopping experience that's far from adorable. Videos taken inside the cabin provide a spine-tingling preview of the action. The question is, would you ever dare to squeeze in and take it for a ride? Micro Lino. Micro Lino is where retro looks meet high-tech functionality. Designed based on the quintessential 1950s Isetta microcar, this small electric vehicle retrieves the nostalgia of old-school design, including a solitary front-opening door that echoes the original. But don't be fooled by the retro appearances. The tech within is state-of-the-art. With a 90 kilometers per hour, 56 miles per hour, top speed, and 200 kilometers range per charge, the Micro Lino is well prepared for contemporary city life. Custom mini grave digger and trailer combo. What an innovative and genius piece of work, and it also appears simply incredible. This handcrafted miniature grave digger isn't enough of a head-turner as a solo act. It comes with a coordinating trailer that totes a trike disguised as a Polaris slingshot, also waiting to be the center of attention at any time. Just picture unwrapping these masterpieces of engineering as kids' gifts. Who needs console games when you could have this? Designed to take on tough terrain, the mini monster truck boasts a real working air suspension system for its ride, and working headlights and an actual functional winch. But it's not all about the performance. The build here is top shelf. Rose gold paint and premium graphic wrap are stunningly gorgeous, making this custom combination a grade A toy that's as collectible as it is a blast.